YouTube channel Think Simplified. Let's learn Python. Today we will look more on list and dictionary. More means in the sense the methods with which we can use this list and dictionary more efficiently. Okay. Now let us have one list here called fruits. We have three fruits here. Now the first method is to add one element to this list. So how to do it? We say fruits dot append and specify the name of the fruit. Okay. Now the name of the fruit is pineapple. Right. Now we will have a look at whether this pineapple has been added or not. So how to do it? Just print it. Print fruits. Right. Now we will save this and we'll check. Run. Okay. Now here see pineapple has been added to this list, right? We will mention here because we will be having so many methods. Append method, append, okay, fruits, right. Okay, right here. So the append word has come and the list of the fruits, right. Now second method we will check it as a remove method. Okay, by using remove method we can remove any items of like say suppose for example I will remove mango here. Mango here. Okay. Later on we can add mango. Right. Now we will check. Print. Remove. Now fruits. This is the list. We save and run this. Right. So here first mango, banana, apple, pineapple was there. Now we have to remove mango. So mango has gone now. Right. There is another method of removing the last item added. Just like we added here by using append. There is a method to remove that item that is the element which has been which is there in the last index, which is last. Okay. How to do it? Print fruits. You can say pop here. Pop means last in, first out. Okay. Now here only three are there: banana, apple, and pineapple. Now if we say fruits pop, it will remove this pineapple, right? So let us check. Print pop and fruits now, right? Let us run this. Right. So here fruits dot pop, it will remove this pineapple. So pineapple has gone now. Only two are remaining: banana and apple. Now let us add back mango here. Okay. Now let us add another fruits dot append grapes. Right. Now let us print the latest. Okay. So now it's having banana, apple, mango and grapes. Right. We will add this pineapple also. Okay, so that for a demo purpose we will have some elements in there. Pineapple, right? Okay, now we will check. There is another method to know since list can have duplicate values. Just like say another will add the existing element. Okay, so suppose mango, right? Now let us print this and check. Let us print this and check. Okay, so now here banana, apple, mango is there, grapes, pineapple, again mango is there. Now we are having two mangoes, that is, it is a duplicate value, so it accepts duplicate values. Now what if we want to count how many mangoes are there in this list? Okay, there is one method called count, fruits.count. You can call mango here, right? And you can check here, print count mango. We'll have a variable here, count is equal to, okay. Now we can print here, otherwise directly we can enter this here also, fruits.count, it will count, right? We'll check this. Right, see, now it is showing count of mango is 2, right? So likewise we can count, we can add, we can remove, we can pop, right? There is another method which will be very useful sometimes, that is the reverse order. Now here banana, apple, mango, grapes, pineapple, mango comes last. Okay, if we make this last element as first and then this the second last as second element, it will reverse. Sometimes there is a requirement during programming. So now we can check this, fruits.reverse. This is the method in which the list, the elements in the list will get reversed. Now we will say print reverse and the elements, fruits of the list. Let us check now. Right, so mango was last year, then pineapple, grapes, mango and apple. Okay, now the mango has come first, then pineapple, then grapes, then mango, then apple. Okay, and then banana here. Now what if we want to sort this list into ascending order? Okay, now here there is another method for sorting. Now we can say fruits dot sort. Okay, now we will check whether it has sorted or not. Print sort fruits. We'll check this. Right, see here, this now apple, banana, grapes, these are all in alphabetical order. Right? This is how we can sort the list out. Right, now let us see how to find minimum and maximum values of a list. Okay, let us have one list of numeric points. List 1 is equal to 29, 24, 67, 12, 89, 90. Okay. Now let us find the minimum and maximum of this. Now how to find this? Print minimum. Min is a function. You can pass a list directly. List 1. Okay. Now print maximum max list 1. Okay. Now let us check this program. We'll run this, it will save. Okay. So now here minimum it has printed 12. Okay, minimum it has printed 12 and maximum it has printed 90, right? This is how we can find the minimum and maximum. We can even directly pass a tuple to this and print the minimum and maximum. Just like minimum and pass this 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 0. It will print from this minimum. Right, it has printed 0. 0 is the minimum, right?
Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful and informative, make sure to like the video, to show your support. Leave a comment below to share your thoughts and ask questions. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Share this video with friends who might need it. If you encountered any issues or have any problems, please let me know in the comment section. I am here to help.